What's going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day so far. I looked for countless hours on forums, on videos. This is a 99 Chevy Silverado, and I wanted to turn off the daytime running lights, the DRLs. Couldn't find anything. I ended up finding a forum. I want to shout out this guy. It's super easy. So if you have a 99 Chevy Silverado, it's probably a 2000 as well. I know in 2001 they have the override button. Does not work for this. If you are looking to turn off your daytime running lights, I'm going to show you right now. Super easy, super quick. I'm going to link what you need below. Let's see if I can set this up. So under the dash right here, let me show you that actually really quick. Under the dash, there is these three, right? You're going to pull out the purple one. It's the far right. Pull out this purple connector right here. And you're gonna find the wires, right? Okay, so you see the white and the two grays. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 1.5 kilowatt resistors. Like I said, I'm gonna link those in the description. I'm gonna show you these right here. That's what they look like. Right there. You buy them off Amazon. I think they're $6 for a shit ton of them. Buy those. You're gonna find the white wire and the gray wire that's farthest from the white one, right? So it's gonna be this far right one right here. All you gotta do is stick one of those resistors, one side in the white, one side in the gray. That's all you have to do. You press that in there. It's pretty stuck in there, so I don't think it's gonna come out. That is how you turn them off. I will show you right now. Look, my knob is off. Usually, if I turn my key on, it will turn on. So you got to plug the thing back in. That helps. One second. I'm gonna plug this puppy. After you do that, plug it back in. Boom. Look, I'm gonna turn my key on my truck. Knob is off. Usually those are on. Headlights not on. I will turn my headlights knob in on position. Watch my instrument panel. Boom, on. Headlights are on. So that's it. That's easy. It takes 5 minutes. Buy those resistors, plug it into that power connector down there, the purple one, and you are all set.